Alright, we're going to make a couple pens. See if I can get this. Here's the finished pen. It's walnut. I'm going to let this dry. Give another sand and then another coat of Danish oil. And assemble it. Alright, we're going to try to make a cedar pen. Not sure how well the cedar is going to hold up, but for turning, we'll find out. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Tip it down a little bit. So my rest and I can't get close enough to my work with this rest. I broke a couple of the pen blanks because I'm so far away. So what I did, I'm going to zoom down here. I created a little block there, so I can put my rest in that block of wood and put it right next to it where I need it. So I'm going to set that up right now, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Be right back. All right, so my my rest, I moved from here because I can't get it close enough to this block of wood. Just hold it, have it pinched between two screws. It's sturdy. And now I can get right up to my blanks, and they turn a whole lot better. Get a better angle with my carbide. This is what I use to turn them with. Get a good finish on them, and I can get right up there to it. All right, sand it down to, I think, 800? Yeah, 800, and I'll put a little finish on it. Assemble it. Be back. Finish this one. It's a slimline with walnut. Oh, how well you can see that. Walnut. And this one is cedar. Got a lot of the purple heart in there. Hopefully you can see that good. A couple of those done. I've already rounded it, but it's a pink, light pink acrylic. There's the top. So I'm going to be finishing this. The top one is completed for size, just to be sanded. The bottom one I need to finish cutting a little smaller and sand it, finish as well. That's what we'll be working on now. So my rest, you can see it. I can't get close enough to do pens with this, so I built a little wood platform so I can get my rest close enough to the pens. It works pretty well. So the first acrylic pen I did cracked really bad because I was way out here, too far away. It didn't catch and just busted it all up. So I made this little wooden platform here to put my rest in so I get closer. It works a whole lot better for pens.
Got some cheap whiskey and some Mountain Dew, Malibu, Cuervo, Coke in a cup. Brother, I can hook you up. I can fix a drink, pour it on ice, mix it all up.
Alright. Well, the cutting part's done. Now I need to sand. I left about 1 millimeter, maybe just a little higher than that, for sanding. That's what we'll do now. When I come back, it'll be sanded and polished. Then I'll assemble it. Alright, I finished sanding then. Went down to 1500 and then put a little polish on them. Now I'm just gonna sand the bottom a little bit where it's so it's flush, and then assemble them. So I will be back when this is assembled. Show you what it looks like. All right. Here's a finally assembled pen. This is pink acrylic and just your standard twist pen. From Penn State Industries. They turned pretty good. My wife's birthday this week, so this will be one of her birthday presents. I think she'll like it. She likes pink.